There are many different Veeam backup products, and in this course, we'll be mainly looking at backup and recovery. And in backup and recovery, you can back up physical computers, and those physical computers could be clients or servers, and they could be hosting virtual machines as well. And of course, you can back up virtual machines, and you can also back up to the cloud or from the cloud. And you can also back up applications. And this is kind of an unusual thing for a third-party backup. Most of the time, you're going to have applications just be part of the operating system and not be able to back them up individually. And that's because the applications have files or hooks into various other folders, such as the Windows System 32 folder and other folders and the registry itself. So it can be a little bit more difficult to back up applications, but Veeam can also provide this. And it can do software as a service. Now, software as a service can be a lot of different things. We can see Microsoft 365, such as Exchange Online, SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive. Those are all software as a service products. And backup for Salesforce. Salesforce is used by a lot of different sales departments, and you can back up the data there because if you do have a crash or some sort of a problem, you'll not want to lose all of your customer data. And you have backup for Kubernetes. So if you're using containers in your organization, then you probably are using some way of managing those containers, and you can use Veeam backup products to back up Kubernetes. Kubernetes started as a product invented by Google, and then Google made that open source so anybody could use it. And now it's being taken advantage by Veeam for backup, and it's being used by Microsoft as well. And then there's Veeam One. This isn't necessarily a software as a service, but Veeam One is an application that you can install either on a client or a server, it doesn't matter. It's not an application that you can use to manage backups as far as creating them, editing them, deleting them, that kind of thing. This is really a monitoring program. And it's great because you can install it on as many different client or server computers as you like, and you can see how things are going with your Veeam backup products on all the different servers where they're installed. All these different Veeam backup products are standalone editions, meaning that they're not part of a backup suite of products. They may save you money if you just need a specific type of backup done and not the entire suite of Veeam products. Veeam also makes some free community editions. Let's take a look at those. We have Veeam Backup and Replication, CE, which stands for Community Edition. And this is a lighter version of the full backup and replication program. You can't back up as many servers or as much data, but for small organizations, this actually might be good enough for them, and they'll not have to pay anything for it. It's a community edition. Then there's Veeam Microsoft 365. It'll allow you to back up a certain amount of things like mailboxes, Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive type of data. And finally, there's a Salesforce Community Edition as well. They don't include all the capabilities of the paid products, but they give you free services for smaller organizations, and it gives you a taste of what the product can do. You can also download a free unlock trial of the full backup suite, which is what I have done in this course. Veeam backup products come in many different versions and capabilities. We'll be using the backup and recovery suite of products to back up servers and clients.